Hello, my name is Siôn Eifion and I'm an actor in a Cylch Sialc. And today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I'm leaving the rehearsal room and I'm heading over to S4C's canolfan yr Egin to do something called Sibrwd. Follow me. Sibrwd is a language access app which makes Welsh language theatre accessible to all. It's aimed at those who don't speak Welsh or aren't confident in their level of Welsh. It guides you through the production, providing an audio and text synopsis of what's happening on stage in front of you as it happens. So don't worry about your level of Welsh. Come along and experience this epic play through Sibrwd.